Guys, I'm still in Koftown and I'm walking around Koftown. I just went to Mukasi Taste, so you can see Mukasi Taste over there. So now I'm gonna walk from Moda Estate and see how possible I can explore this part of the city as well. So we have Accra Republic. I've always been looking for Acheke to buy, but I've seen an Acheke place here. I just want to show you guys, if you are coming to Koftown, there's an Acheke place. I never knew there's an Acheke joint in Koftown like this one, but so I'm just checking on it for you. We're gonna cross to the other side, and then we see what is happening here. It's a Friday in Koftown, and this is the old estate in Kubem Road on a Friday. Let me see if I can step onto the road. So I've quickly crossed to the side, and I'm gonna walk down to the other side to show you the area very well. I've done other videos here as well, but I'm working here today and I feel like do some vlogs here as well. I'll be doing more vlogs from Koftown because I'm a Kof City boy and I love Koftown. So we're heading towards the Omini Center, but there's a fitting shop here. As you can see, lots of cars parked there for servicing. So that's the Omni Event and Play Center. Let me show you there. I've done a video there as well. Today Friday it's gonna get packed anyway, but I'm not in to go there. I want to go there. I want to take a ride and go pick my phone, my second phone. So guys, so old estate Koforidua is where I'm walking now. And if you notice everyone, there used to be a weather station here. Let me show you another branch of Central Gospel. The main one is at the city center. There's another one at Galloway, and there's another one here too as well. I think they call this one Potter's Temple. Another church. This is a Catholic church. This is the Saint Bakita Church here in Kof City. So that's the Saint Bakita Church. As you see, this is one of the Catholic churches in Koforidua, but this one is in Old Estate, the Kenkey Factory Road, guys. So like over there, I think this is where the weather station used to be. But I don't know. I don't want to go there. I can see some barometer. I can see some barometer and some wind vane there. Saint Bakita Catholic Church. So they have one building here, and they have the parish hall. This is their parish hall. So over there is the Koforidua Veterinary as a veterinary hospital. That's Koforidua Veterinary. It used to be fully owned by veterinary. I'm sure now they are sharing with the Fisheries Commission. I'm told now they are sharing with the Fisheries Commission. So we are approaching the Country Home Junction. There was a factory in this side that was called Country Home, and it was one of the first factories to produce canned shito. Those days GNTC was in Koforidua. When you go to GNTC, you're going to find Country Home shito in GNTC. So just go to the description of this video. I also put the link to the shop on my screen so you can see what is really happening. It's an affiliate deal between me and Poemusart. Poemusart is from the USA, right? And we can work on that. And basically, you can get all the products. It's a sponsorship deal between me and Poemusart, which is from the USA. I have all sort of quality products on the channel that you can buy from. Guys, we're heading to the Daddy's Bar area, and there's a lot of sound. And you know, our business don't take sound. At the China Mall Koforidua, it goes behind the hotel. So it goes this way and then it passes at the back of the hotel to the other side. They were asked to stop work, but I'm sure now they are back working on the mall again. And you can see workers all over the place. All content and all videos are from my own resources. I don't really make that much from what I'm doing now, so definitely you guys need to support me to keep the channel in shape. Guys, subscribe, share, comment and like. You support only by sharing and subscribing and ensuring that you put us on the globe. And of course people can see our video when you share them as well. So share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Cross to the other side and then pick a taxi from there to the other side of the city. So over there you can see the Kenkey traffic light and all that. So let me cross to the other side and I'll give you more. The more you support me, the more my channel grows to become the kind of channel that you always want to see. Subscribe. I finally got down from the taxi. I was supposed to travel today, leave this city, but I couldn't leave. But I have to sleep over. It's Friday, so I need to spend the Friday night in Koforidua, and then maybe probably tomorrow morning I can move out. Subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you very much for watching.